Okay, yeah, we're here with another one of our satisfied customers where we just did some repairs for her. We put on a new fascia board. She had a wooden fascia board, and there were some squirrels that were up in her attic, and they kind of like chewed it through the fascia, wooden fascia, and so she decided to get a PVC fascia board, and we put some new gutters and downspouts on for her, and also some soffit underneath of her portico. And she decided to agree to do a testimonial for us. And so I'm going to be asking her about 3 to 4 different questions. And the first one will be, how did you hear about us there?
Well, you had previously, well, I should say KangaRoof previously repaired my roof. So I thought, since I was pleased there, that I'll give you a call to address my other concerns, which is what you just mentioned.
Okay, great. Okay. And what did you appreciate most about the service that we provided for you there?
Convenient as far as, previous customer. We had to wait a little bit regarding the weather, but once that cleared, you were able to come and make the repairs.
Okay, great. And the last question is, would you recommend our service to others? And if so, why would you?
Sure, I would do so because, like I said previously, you repaired the roof. Now I've had other services done. I'm not even going to name them like you did, but I was satisfied with both services that you provided.
Okay, great, good to hear. Well, really, we really thank you for the testimonial that you gave us, because they really help our future customers, decide if they, trust in us and trust in our work, and they get a chance to hear what other consumers have said about, our services. So we really appreciate your time, and your time and interest are greatly appreciated.